What's up, guys? We are going to do some real estate.
We contact like 200 contact per hour. 8 out of 10 were really interested.
You like this area, Youngstown?
Yeah.
What specific? Do you want me to do a radius around the whole city? Do you want me to target a certain neighborhood at North Side and Niles? But
Oh yeah, you're right.
going to Mineral Ridge or no?
Go into like Howland kind of.
Okay, I got to hit that on the way up. 35,000. So then I'd go off market 21,000. So then we're looking for houses, or are you looking for duplexes too?
Both, yeah. Just do regular.
Duplex, triplex, duplex,
Okay, there you go.
multifamily ownership information in. They've had it for at least 3 years.
Do we put like a price cap?
Yeah. We could do. I like to cap it and do properties that are not worth more than 300,000. So we're work like below the median. Ownership information, last sale price. They got it for less than 180. I could change these. I could lower it. I just want to see what we have. Now the next thing is like absentee owner. These are people who don't live in their own properties. It's a lot easier when it's like an extra property for them.
Yeah, do that and property vacant, maybe.
I'm gonna have to do them separate though, because if I do, if I do vacant and absentee owner, look, there's only, if I do just vacant,
You'd have to like take their debt, right?
yeah, you take their debt and just pay them a little bit more. Tired landlords is a good one. This is 46. There's only 153. Bro, look at that pad.
Holy shit.
Get that for a third off. Let's say it needs 20K in repairs. So then you subtract 20K, that's 20%, 200K. Then an investor wants to get that at 65 to 75%. They do 65%, 65% or 75% as your max offer minus repairs. And then if you're wholesaling it, then just also add your fee in, because, you know, an investor will buy at 65 or 75%. So if you get it locked up at that and then subtract 5 or 10 grand, that's what your fee is. You know, get them 20 grand down more, that's what your fee is. 40 grand. That's a pretty easy way to like estimate what investors are paying for, because investors are buying and needing to roll their capital. So I just put this AI filter up. I like using this. This has worked for me. But if you crank it up all the way, you miss out on some people that could be leads. But I could put this at however high you want. If I put it at 100%, there's 153. If I put it at 92, do you see it's changing? There's 995.
Yeah, let's do like 90. Move it up one, do 93.
That is exporting. And now in here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create you a new pipeline. I'm going to have Adrian put all your leads in here. I'm going to call her up, have her get started on this. And then once I get some leads, I'll call you up. We can review them. And then if you want me to add you in the CRM so you could just see them there, I could do that too. It doesn't take long.